Homeowners in Fayetteville are always looking for smart ways to improve comfort, boost efficiency, and increase the value of their homes. One upgrade that consistently delivers all three is vinyl replacement windows. Whether your current windows are drafty, outdated, or simply not performing like they used to, vinyl windows offer a modern solution with long-lasting advantages. Here are the top benefits Fayetteville homeowners can expect when switching to vinyl replacement windows. Superior energy efficiency for Fayetteville's climate. Fayetteville experiences a range of temperatures throughout the year: hot, humid summers and chilly winter nights. Vinyl replacement windows are designed with insulated frames and advanced glass options that dramatically reduce heat transfer. This helps stabilize indoor temperatures while reducing your HVAC system's workload. Homeowners notice lower utility bills, more consistent comfort, and fewer hot or cold spots around their windows. If you're trying to make your home more energy efficient without a major remodel, vinyl windows are one of the most cost-effective upgrades available. Low maintenance and long-lasting durability. One of the biggest appeals of vinyl windows is their remarkably low maintenance. Unlike wood frames that require sanding, staining, or repainting, vinyl windows hold their color and finish without any special upkeep. They resist peeling, warping, cracking, and rotting, common issues in climates like Fayetteville's where humidity and temperature swings can take a toll on building materials. A quick wipe with soap and water is usually all it takes to keep vinyl windows looking fresh. Because they are naturally resistant to corrosion and moisture, they offer decades of reliable performance with minimal effort from the homeowner. Budget-friendly without sacrificing quality. Vinyl replacement windows are known for offering great value. They generally cost less than wood or fiberglass alternatives but still provide excellent energy performance, insulation, and durability. This makes them an ideal option for Fayetteville homeowners looking to improve their home without overspending. Their long lifespan and minimal maintenance also reduce ongoing costs, making them one of the most economical window upgrades over time. Enhanced curb appeal and customization options. Today's vinyl windows come in a wide range of colors, styles, and configurations, giving homeowners the flexibility to match any architectural design. Whether your home in Fayetteville has a traditional, contemporary, or craftsman-style aesthetic, there's a vinyl window option that complements it beautifully. You can choose from popular window styles like double-hung, casement, bay, slider, picture, and more. Many vinyl products also include decorative grids, upgraded hardware, or custom shapes that add character and boost curb appeal. Improved noise reduction. If you live near a busy roadway, school, or high-traffic area, vinyl replacement windows can make your home noticeably quieter. Their insulated frames and advanced glass packages help block out outside noise, creating a more peaceful indoor environment. Homeowners often report better sleep, more privacy, and improved relaxation after upgrading their windows. Increased home value and market appeal. Buyers love energy-efficient, low-maintenance upgrades, especially when it comes to windows. Installing vinyl replacement windows in your Fayetteville home can help increase resale value and make your property more attractive to prospective buyers. New windows signal that the home has been well cared for and that future owners won't have to worry about repairs or high energy bills. This can give your home a competitive edge in the market. Ready to upgrade your home? Vinyl replacement windows offer a powerful combination of energy savings, durability, style, and value, making them a top choice for Fayetteville homeowners. If you're looking to enhance comfort, reduce maintenance, and invest in long-term performance, vinyl windows are an upgrade you can feel good about for years to come.